We have made it to sunny Arizona. We have not been to Arizona since Bryson was 8 months old, I think, is when we left Arizona. He was born here in Arizona, so it feels pretty cool to be back again. Right now we're exploring a little bit. I think they were calling these something cliff dwellers. They're just big, huge pieces that have fallen down. The kids are jumping around, having a good time. Oh, this is donkey. Donkey dong.
Yeah, literally stepped right in it.
I don't care.
You care if we have to
It'll come off. We got a hike all day. We got 20 miles.
not going away, not going away.
Why not?
Good morning. We are hiking today, doing some of the Blue Angel Trail. Only gonna do 3 miles. Not a lot. I think all the way down to the very bottom of the Grand Canyon is like 17 miles. Definitely won't be doing that. But yeah, it's definitely warm today. Not bad though yet.
What was it again?
I just read that. What do you think people? What do you think people say that I was reading? They come by. Losing an arm to war never slowed Powell. Powell's 8/16/90 crew lost a third of their food after the first few rapids. This period etching shows the crew running a rapid. Powell navigated the smooth portions of the river seated in a chair strapped to the boat.
Look at that there engine.
This right here is a monument. You can't put that in there, you know that. Did y'all read what this was for? No. It's a monument to Powell, which led to like early expeditions and exploring.
Okay, get down now.
Andrew, there's no railing up here, so be careful.
Stay back. Stay back. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel, and we thank you guys for watching and hanging out with us. So today we are in Bryce Canyon National Park. We are in Rice City. We're staying at Ruby's Inn campground, and it's really nice here. But a couple of days ago we were out at our campground in Lake Powell having some fun. Went to go put in the awning, which was out what, maybe a foot and a half, if that, and bam, it snapped, which is totally fine. You know, it's just a small thing. There was a little issue with it beforehand, so I think it was just due to happen. So right now we just got a little tape on it. We cut the awning off and left the poles for now. He used some 550 cord, which is like parachute cord. And then we used our bright tape to tape it down, to keep it down for the rest of our travels. So we are here enjoying the beautiful fire and the gorgeous weather. Stop. Tomorrow we will be heading towards Moab. We have rented some side-by-sides with Jessica and David Floyd. They live in northern Utah, so we're going to be joining with them. We're going to be riding some side-by-sides on some trails, and I'm super excited about that. So I just wanted to apologize to you guys because we were hoping to get a lot of great footage for Antelope Canyon, but the company would not allow us to video in there, so all I was able to get was photos.
It's good enough. You could turn it into a video. Like, go on.
So unfortunately, this Grand Canyon video is a little short because we didn't get a ton of footage, but we hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Bye!